Hi everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. So today we're going to move in an office environment because some of you say you don't have time because you're always at work, behind the desk or working from home. So I'm going to show you how you can use your environment to move. So let's first start with the deep breathing. So it's better if you get up, yeah? So just get away from the desk and the chair. So keep your feet apart, hands apart. And let's take a purposeful breath in through our nostrils. Big inhale. And exhale. Even slower breath, inhale and exhale. One last big inhale. Now visualize your shoulders and exhale. Good. Let's say these 5 affirmations. You can say it within or out loud. I am strong. I am courageous, I am brave, I am safe, I am healthy, I am happy. Great. Let's gently tilt our chin towards our chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Great. Let's start with the neck mobilizations. You're going to bring your chin down towards your neck, chin and collarbone. Then move it all the way out. Nice and easy. There you go. And let's do it one more time. Keep your awareness on your neck and the opposite direction. Nice job. Relax the rest of the body. Very slowly feel that tension's melting away. Let's move our hands up, down. Bend as much as you can and want if you want to. Bend. Keep going. That's it. Nice and slow. Good. Keep going. That's it. One last one. Good. Let's take a deep breath in. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. Bring your hands near your chest. Bring it out and up, down, middle. Let's go. Up, down, middle. Up, down, middle. Up, down, middle. Sway your shoulders. Up, down, middle. Up, down, middle. Last one. Up, down, middle. Good job. All right. You're going to move your waist in circular motion, right? Push your pelvis in front and back. You're doing good. And now to the opposite direction. Because when we are always sitting, the blood circulation is not that great. So this is very good not only for your digestion and your back, but it also gets the blood flow in all directions. Good job. All right, let's do some simple jogging, right? So I like to jog on my toes, but up to you. But just let's keep going to increase that blood flow further. Keep smiling. Relax your shoulders. You're doing this for you. This time is for you. You can just move your hands if you want to, right? Your shoulders, you can wiggle a little bit. Of course, you can do it in the bathroom if you feel a bit conscious to do it in the office environment, but just find a place where you can, move and get the blood flowing. Good. Let's take a deep breath in. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Now we're going to use the chair, right? So you're going to go a little away from it, right? So your hand distance, you're going to feel that nice stretch. Try to bend downwards. Keep your ears aligned to your forearms. Feel that nice stretch in the back. Really good for back pain, right? While you're there, let's do some cycling. So bend your right knee, your left. You can go tiptoe. That's it. Feel that nice stretch in your back, getting that blood flow in your legs. Good job. We're going to slowly come up, inhale up, and bend backwards. Exhale similarly towards the chair. Stop here, touch, and go all the way down. Bend your knees. Again, coming up. Inhale. Touch the chair. All the way up, up, up. Push. Exhale. Touch the chair. Then we go down. There's a reason we touch the chair. You don't want to break your back. Feel that nice stretch. And now we're going to soften our kneecaps, or you can tighten them, up to you. Cup your opposite palm with the opposite forearm, and you're going to just kind of hang there. It's really good to let that stress away, that anxiety. While you're here, just let all the stress melt away. Relax your shoulders, breathe normally. A few more seconds. Relax your neck. You can close your eyes. That's it. We're coming up. Gently straighten your knees. Inhale, tap the chair. Stay here. Exhale. Inhale again. Up, up, up. Bend backwards. And exhale to the heart center. We're going to place our hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Now we're also go a little further. So place your hands apart, feet apart like this. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Of course, move the chair. Inhale, keep going. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. Really good to get that sides going. To relax your sides, your waist. Right? I'm sure you're feeling a little warmth. Right? We're going to go a little further. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, go with the breath. So this is also, while you're twisting, you're activating your digestion, you're strengthening your back. So many things with yoga, yeah? All right, now side to side. That's it. Good. So bring your awareness to where we're working on. Sorry about the noise. That's it. Hands apart, feet apart, deep breathe. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. One last one. Ready? So this is for our glutes, calf muscles, and our legs. So you're just gonna, it's kind of a side kick. You're just gonna hold on to something. You're gonna move your leg that way. Ready? 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's repeat it to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Hands apart, feet apart. Big inhale through our nostrils. And exhale. 2 more breaths. Big inhale, purposeful breaths. Slower exhale. 1 more last inhale. And exhale. Gently, let's connect back with affirmations and know that you are strong and you took this time for you. You have everything you need to manage your day. You are capable. You are blessed. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Good job on joining, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.